Hi there, here Marcos from YepCode. In this video, I'm going to show you a new exciting module that we have included on YepCode, and that allows to take advantage of all the AI code generation features that for sure are going to revolutionize all the software development industry in the following months and years. Okay, as you know, YepCode is a low-code platform that allows you to build and run scripts using JavaScript or Python, and that out of the box allows you to work with a bunch of services and APIs and databases. Okay, if you want to discover your code, you can see the full demo video that we already have on the platform. Okay, but in this case, I'm going to show you this new AI model. Okay, so just log into the platform. In this case, I'm going to use my free account. Okay, and the first step is to configure the AI engine. Okay. It's needed right now. We support OpenAI. In the future, we could include all other engines. Okay, and the first step is to configure your code assistant engine. Just go to the settings and click on the configure this engine and place your AP key from OpenAI. Okay, here is my account. I have some AP keys and I pick one. Okay. And when I create this, when I configure this engine, now in my source code, I could see this button that allows me to ask for help during the code writing. Okay, so the use case that we are going to solve with this new model, let's say that we are a big tech event organizers and we want to ask for startups registration. Okay, so I create a new process, register startups on our test event. Okay, and we are going to, the first step is to configure the input parameters. Okay, as you know, YepCode provides an input parameter form and builder to ask for information to the user. And in this case, we are going to ask the AI assistant, okay, to create this form schema. Okay, we use JSON form schema. Create a form to ask for companies information to listed on our text app. The companies will be startups. Okay. If I ask for this help, this is asking the engine to build this source code. Okay, and when the engine answers, we'll see the JSON schema. Okay, here it is. We are comfortable with that. Use it. So here we have the JSON schema. Okay, we can preview the form. Okay, it's great. Asking for company name, founder, industry, founding amount, number of employees. Okay, and logo. Okay, we have also a builder. Okay, so we can change anything here. There is no need to write the JSON schema because this builder allows you to configure all the form. Okay, but let's go back to the form. For example, let's ask this funding could be a ranch or the employees number. Okay, change the funding amount and employees number to be a select with no values instead of asking for number. Okay, we can do that because in this model we keep chairs. We keep the previous answer, okay? We keep the context of the conversation with the AI assistant. So here we are just asking for changes over the previous generated form, okay? So the AI is working, okay? Let's go ahead. We can format the code and we preview. Okay, here we have some ranges. Perfect, I like this more. Okay, logo is mandatory. Okay, we can change that. For example, logo is not required. Okay. Perfect. We have our form. and now the next step is to publish this form. Okay, this form is shown on every process execution. Okay, but the code also includes forms. That is a citing module that allows to embed this form in any web page. Okay, and each form submission will start a new code process execution. So we enable the form feature for this process, okay? And here we have the snippet to include this form in any web page, okay? Let's go to our Webflow platform, okay? For example, here I have prepared a section to include this. We just need to add an embed component, okay? Let me put it here. Okay, so now I place here the code of the form, and just with that, if I publish this new version of our web page, I could see this form published. Okay, let's open the web page. Okay, here it is. Here I have the form, and each submission of this form will start one process executing. Okay, we have not yet implemented the source code. That's the next step. Okay, so if we came here we have the form schema, and we can start with our source code. In this case, it's JavaScript. Okay, so we can read the input parameters const. Okay, we can go to the parameters and just copy the parameter names that this form has. Here we have all the input parameters information. Okay. With the AI assistant, we can also ask for help not related with the code, but let's show a sample. I can ask for, this will be to ask for ask with the source code, but I can ask other questions. Okay. Please create a MySQL create table sentence to store the information for the provided JSON schema form specifically. Okay, and we can provide the context for this prompt. Okay, this is the JSON schema form. Oops. Okay, and I paste here. If I submit this, the AI assistant, okay, here we have the create table, okay. Now I can go back, I can go to my MySQL table, okay. Here I have the one database, okay. I can create this table, okay. Also, here I have the table. I can refresh this, and here it is, our table, okay. Let's go back to the source code, and now the next step is to configure the MySQL credential, because the purpose of this process is to store this information in that table. Okay. Okay. We already have some credentials for this MySQL table. Is here, so we just need to go again. MySQL credential. Okay, perfect. And the name is YepCode MySQL Playground. Okay, this is the slug, and here I have the credential that I want to use to run with the MySQL client. Okay, it might be said that the MySQL credential and any other integrations in the code, we provide a wrapper over the npm package or the pp package. Okay, so you may use all the features or the functions that the MySQL package provides. Okay, so let's go back here. Now we want to add an insert with MySQL. We provide some snippets. Okay, and also the MySQL disconnect. Okay, perfect. We can run this. Okay. Let's ask the AI assistant to change this snippet, because this is a generic one. Okay, so I can go to to the database. I can pick the table and I ask, okay, change the selected code to perform one insert using the parameters. From parameters object, the previous one, and fill in the information into the provided MySQL table. And we can add context. This is the table to be used the inject. Okay, I can provide this. Here, the assistant is only changing the provided code. Okay, so we can use it. Okay, well, here we have some to improve, to remove that quotes. Okay, but here is the insert. Okay, the assistant has picked the table name and all of the parameters. Okay, so if everything is okay, we can go back to our workflow and just provide one submission. For example, YepCode, founder name, okay, Marcos and others. There you go. Okay. Technology, funding, okay, number of employees, okay. Log is not required. So if I submit this, okay, this has started one execution. Here it is. So if I go back to my table on the database and I refresh, okay, here it is the information. So as you have seen, this code assistant has helped us to write this snippet, but we could ask for any other help. For example, okay, add a log sentence to print the received parameters. Okay, it's here, okay. So, as you may see, YepCode is a very suitable platform to take advantage of all this code generation, because in no-code tools, you can ask for the AI to write code, no? You can do it in some steps, but here, as our approach is a full code solution, you can take advantage of this kind of help, okay? Okay, that's the new feature that we have included, and hoping to have a lot of feedback from you, and looking forward to having you on board. Thanks.